I just passed a 100K challenge with Crypto Fund Trader. Now you guys already know I only do reviews once I've already gone ahead and passed the challenge. I can't lie, this challenge was pretty tough to pass. So I smashed their 100K challenge and I can't lie, it was not easy to pass at all since I was doing it over the holiday break. The markets weren't really moving that well, but I still went ahead and did it anyways. In this video, I'm going to be going over the full review, how I was able to pass the challenge, spreads, commissions, the profit targets, and their own trading platform. So they don't even have MT4 or MT5. And you know, since we're doing a review and I've gone ahead and passed the challenge, we're going to be doing a 10K challenge giveaway with Crypto Fund Trader. So one lucky winner will be able to try this platform out. If you want to learn how to smash these challenges like I've been doing on this channel and so many other members have been as well, click the link in the description below for Tradinglp. Now let's jump into the computer and take a look at what we have. Also, don't forget to like the video. All right, we are in my computer and we're going to be reviewing CryptoFundTrader.com. Remember, there is a 10K challenge giveaway at the end of this video, so I'll be explaining to you guys how you can enter. Also, if you guys are interested in doing a challenge with them, the link is in the description below where you can get 10% off. All right, so we're just going to get started and dive right into it. Now, this may sound a little weird, but I always like to look at the website of a prop firm whenever I'm trying to do a new challenge. I'm trying to buy a challenge with a company that I've never done one with before, and when I'm doing a review. Right now, you guys know I only do reviews once I pass the challenge, so I've already gone ahead and passed phase 1 of the challenge with these guys. And when it comes to the website, their website is absolutely fantastic. I just feel like if somebody's trying to scam you, they probably won't have a good website. I think this website is really good looking, and also it provides enough accurate information that I need to make sure that, you know, I don't violate any rules, and I have just the right information that I need. So we'll start with that. Right, the website looks great. In terms of capital, they will give you up to $200,000 in funding. I believe that's the max capital that you can go with currently. We'll talk about spreads, commissions, all of that stuff as well. And there's two really great things that I love about them. So I'm going to dive into the first one right now, and then we'll dive into the second one after. The first thing that I love, all right, and that's the profit target. So typically prop firm profit targets are 10%, 5%. We also see 8% and 5%. We saw 8% and 4% with True Forex funds, but now they've gone ahead and changed their phase 2 to 5%. But with these guys, the amazing thing that I love, and I love this as a trader trying to achieve 8% and 4%. I think that's just amazing, because there's been so many times on phase 2 when I get to 4% and then I just never make it to 5 and I go all the way down to 0. And I hate that shit. So phase 1, 8%, great. Phase 2, 4%. I don't think there's any other good prop firms left right now that are actually offering that. I might be wrong, but as far as I'm concerned, this is the only one that has 4% that I actually really like. Now, a couple of other things. So the daily drawdown rules and overall drawdown rules are pretty much what you would find everywhere else, 5%, 10%. One of the other great things, or two other great things actually, I would say, is that they have their own trading platform. Okay, so their own trading platform means that you're not using MT4 or MT5. You're actually going to be using their own platform, which I'll show you guys in a second. It looks amazing. I think it's very unique. It's very different than everything else. You know, I'm pretty fed up with using the old MT4, MT5 online desktop terminals. I love using them on my phone, but I don't like them. I don't like using it on the desktop, right? So that's a really cool thing that I'll show you guys right now. And because they have their own trading platform, they actually charge you no commission. So there's no trading fees or commissions or swaps or anything like that. And the spreads are actually fairly low. So we'll dive into the whole platform thing in a second. That's one bonus point right there. Another great thing that I actually didn't know about when I was doing the challenge, otherwise maybe I would have went a little bit slower, is that they actually don't have any trading day rules. So there's no 30-day, 60-day phase 2, 30-day phase 1. You can trade for basically as long as you need to pass phase 1 and phase 2. So there's no trading period. Like, you don't have to finish the challenge quick. And that's one of the things that I always talk about, is people rush these challenges, and that's kind of one of the reasons why a lot of people fail, right? Before I actually started a challenge with these guys, I requested payout proof that they've given to other traders, and they sent me that. Now, keep in mind, I haven't actually gotten a payout yet, but I am on phase 2, and I'm super excited to just pass phase 2 and then jump into trying to get my first payout, even if it's very small. I think it's going to be great, and I think this could be a company that I could see myself working with all year long. Because so far I've been really impressed with the service, with the platform, with their own trading platform. It's been great. So a couple of really good things that I like about this firm. Also, they do 80% profit split, which is pretty standard in the industry. You can use basically Deal, Coinbase, PayPal, a couple of other options that I don't really know about, but that's really cool. You can go straight with the bank transfer. And now let's hop into basically their own trading platform. So what they've done is that you don't really use MT4 or MT5. They give you their own trading platform. So we're just gonna give this a second to load. As you can see, this is mine here. This is my phase 2. So I'm on phase 2 right now, and I'm up about 2.9%. So I only have to get to 4%. Almost 1% away from passing phase 2. Hopefully I'll get that done, and once I get to a withdrawal, I'll show you guys the withdrawal. But this is super cool, right? I've used something like this before, but one thing is for sure, I'm pretty fed up with MT4 and MT5 desktop versions because I use a Mac and then I have to go on to a VPS, and it's super annoying. So I love the phone version of it. I always use that, but something like this, I was a little hesitant when I had to use it in the start, but it looks really great now, right? So on the top here, you actually have some news that could potentially move the market. So you can look at some of the news and stuff. Here are your symbols. I believe you can trade all kinds of crypto, commodities, indices, stocks. So lots of things that you can actually trade, right? And these are the spreads. So this is the spread right here. Spreads, not bad. AU is literally 0.01. Yeah, spreads is really good. Not bad at all, actually. So spreads are amazing. Commissions, there are none. And basically, when you go to place a trade, you would just kind of sort of click here, and this would be a 0.01 lot. So the lot sizing is the same as MT4, MT5. And you can just hit sell. This is where you can put your stop losses, where you can put your take profit. So I don't know. Let's just see if we can put something else here. So whenever you put a certain amount, it'll tell you how much profit you're expected to make or how much you're expected to lose. And when you want to close the position, you can just close it like this. It'll give you your balance up on top, your equity up on top there. So I mean, I think this is really cool. And they also have, I believe they have a mobile app version. I have not used it, and I'm not 100% sure, but I would expect them that they would. Now, in terms of the dashboard, all right. Now, when it comes to the dashboard, they don't really have an active typical dashboard that you would typically see, but they sort of have this section here where you can kind of see account number, what phase you're on, the leverage, and kind of what your balance is and stuff like that. Your trading history is over here, and everything else is sort of just emailed to you. So when I passed phase 1, they sent me an email saying that I passed phase 1, and they sent me my credentials for phase 2 right away, and that's pretty much it. So you'll get that information over here. So lots of cool stuff here. Now, in order to enter the giveaway, what you need to do is like this video. You need to like this video. You need to leave a comment on this video. It can be any comment you want. You can let me know what you guys thought about the review, what you guys think about the company. If you have any further questions, so please leave a comment. The reason for you to leave a comment is because we use YouTube random comment generator to pick the winners. And you need to follow me on Trading_LP.com. Use the link in my description. Don't follow a fake account, because this is where I'll actually do a live stream where I'll pick one of the winners, right? So I'll do a live stream. The winner will be picked via YouTube comment generator, like I did one here, and then that person will be able to contact me. And that is how you can enter this giveaway.